Let's start with some research first on how I can actually cut the bangs. So I really तो आज इतनी जल्दी कैसे आ गई? Is my mom really hates bangs on me, but we are doing this anyway. I don't know if I look like Salman Khan from Tere Naam, but एक चीज जरूर हुई है regret करने वाली, which is look at this. Hi, my name is Khwahish and welcome back to my channel. And if you're watching this face for the very first time, hi, my name is Khwahish and I am a language student. I'm also a corporate person and I make videos here which I really love to do. Just like that, in today's video, I'm going to cut my own bangs with the help of a YouTube tutorial. Today I'm going to make a very impulsive decision which you already know through the title and the thumbnail of this video, but still I'm going to tell you. So today there is no one at home and I decided to come up with cutting my hairs. Like not really hairs but like bangs. You know, I used to have bangs earlier, but now I don't know why suddenly I'm getting this urge of cutting my hairs, like cutting the bangs. And I think there's a reason to it that why I get this sudden urge of cutting my bangs. Number one is because my hair is hairing today. I think this is the foremost reason. Number two, I also tried this heatless curlers. ऐसे मैंने रात को try करे थे late night, and now today when I woke up I got this wavy hairs as you can see, which I really liked. And number three, why not? I don't know if good to take or not, but we can try. और हम ये तभी try कर सकते हैं जब तक कोई नहीं है, because if someone came, I know I'm not going to continue this. I will not be able to continue this. So without any further delay, let's get into this. Also, I don't know how to cut certain bangs and all, because obviously this is my first time trying. So we will be using YouTube for that, and let's see how it goes. Let's start with some research first. After searching for a while, I realized how do people even come with the right pick.
Started. The first thing you're going to want to do is part your hair in the middll. Curtain bangs open in the center. So you need to.
तो मुझे इतना तो पता that I have to follow one particular video rather than thinking that this is not working and this might not work for me and let's switch on to the other one. अगर मैंने ऐसा किया तो I know that I will mess things up. So in order to not do that, I really have to find out a one video जो actual में हेल्प करे मुझे. और तो सारे ट्यूटोरियल्स ही सही लग रहे हैं वैसे तो, बट लेट्स सी नाउ हाउ इट गोस. ऑल्सो माय मॉम लाइक लिटरली हेट बैंग्स ऑन मी, बिकॉज जब भी मैंने 2-3 बार बैंग्स करवाए हैं ऐसे बाहर से ही, बाहर निकल रहे होते हैं पोनी करते हुए भी एंड नॉर्मली, सो शी इज लाइक टोटली अगेंस्ट ऑफ इट. तो आई रियली तो आज इतनी जल्दी कैसे आ गई? My sister is at home now, but I really hope वो मेरा साथ दे and मैं इस mission में successful हो पाऊँ. But anyway, so what I was saying is my mom really hates bangs on me, but we are doing this anyway. And I hope उन्हें पता ना चले. I really hope, but पता चल सकता है वैसे, इसीलिए हम bangs cut कर रहे हैं I guess. Okay, so the first step is to wet the hairs. Okay, so everything in this video is followed by a YouTube tutorial जो कि मैंने अच्छे से follow भी नहीं करा है वैसे. I just did what the video said me to do by starting with sprinkling some water on your hairs and make sure you do the hair partition right. I don't know कि actual में कैसे होने वाला है, but I really hope for the good, if not the best, but good, क्योंकि I don't want it to be worst. Now when I finally thought to start with the cutting part, I realized that the scissor is not meant for me and for my hairs. Guys, the scissor is not working. मेरे आने का time भी हो गया है and scissor is not working. This is not what I wanted. All I have is this scissor and एक बड़ी scissor है. We can try with that, but I don't have like a proper cutting, hair scissor. We have to do something. Now obviously I don't cut my hairs often, nor do I know how to. So I grabbed my art and craft scissor and it worked really well. As you can see, my hairs are getting cut and my bangs are finally getting cut. Can you see this? I'm going to cut my hair. Firstly, I just wanted the size to be equal on both the side, and then I was taking a little more hairs and then chopping it accordingly, like ऐसे same length में.
On to the next step. Now the next step is to go back to your middle part. Starting on that first side, comb your hair.
Also, as mentioned earlier, I wanted my bangs जो मेरे कान के ऐसे पीछे चले जाए, so that my mom don't scold me for that. And this is what exactly happened because my bangs were able to get, back on my ears. Okay, so the video is completed. मतलब YouTube tutorial वहाँ ख़त्म हो गया है, but I am left with this. I don't know if I look like Salman Khan from Tere Naam. But I guess low-key I kind of liked the look at the end because firstly my priorities were met, that my bangs were not like the bangs जो मेरे आँखों पे आ रहा है जिसके लिए मम्मी मुझे डांटे. So I think I did a pretty good job. Mostly the time when I think about bangs, when I make them cut through salon or whatever, I want, like मैंने ये एक दो बार गलती कर दी है कि मैं बहुत छोटे कट करवा देती हूँ बैंग्स कि वो मेरे कान के पीछे नहीं जाते हैं. एंड द फैक्ट दैट ये मैंने जो खुद कट करे मेरे कान के पीछे जा रहे हैं is one of the thing that I am not regretting, and I think it's pretty okay. मतलब ऐसा regret करने वाला कुछ हुआ नहीं I guess, but yeah, but एक चीज़ ज़रूर हुई है regret करने वाली, which is look at this.
That was legit.
ये मेरे इतने सारे बाल जो कट कर दिए हैं ना मैंने, इसको मुझे अब कहीं छुपाने पड़ेंगे, इसको मुझे कहीं गायब करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज इफ गलती से भी मेरी मम्मी या पापा ने किसी ने देख लिया देन आई एम डन. सो वी नीड टू गेट दिस हाइड मम्मी के आने से पहले तो एटलीस्ट. बट व्हाट डू यू गाइस थिंक? लेट्स सी ये पोनी में कैसे लगेंगे. ये पोनी में एग्जैक्टली वैसे लग रहे हैं जैसे नहीं लगने चाहिए थे, क्योंकि आई वांटेड. ठीक है, ये थोड़े पीछे तो हो ही जाएंगे आई गेस. आई थिंक इट्स ओके. I don't know if the mission is successful or not, but I guess थोड़ा सा hair glow up हो गया kind of. I don't know, glow up तो मैं नहीं बोलूँगी, but I just wanted to try this is all what I want to say. And yes, this is how it turned out. It's like I know I should sleep, but the voices in my head goes like this. I think it turned out to be not that bad as what I expected it could be, because I think they're pretty okay. And मैंने कुछ बहुत ऐसे अजीब और गरीब नहीं काट दिया. And yeah, I would like to wrap up the video before my mom comes and find out कि मैंने क्या किया है. वैसे तो उनको पता चल ही जाएगा, but for now we'll just keep this video till here. And yeah, it was just me letting my intrusive thoughts win, and this is what we are at. That's it. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and rate my bangs out of 10 in the comment section and tell me if they're worth it. I'll meet you guys in the next one. Till then, stay safe, take care, and also suggest me some YouTube video ideas if you have any, if you want me to make any. Yeah, that's it. Bye bye.